Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the van and accessory or on so the navigation system powers up. This prevents losing settings. First, press the NAV or menu button on the head unit to open the main menu. Once the screen appears, choose Settings, then System or Clock, depending on your firmware, because Honda groups time controls under System Options. Make sure the parking brake isn't required for touchscreen input. If prompted, follow the on-screen instruction to proceed. Now set the format. Pick 12-hour for AM/PM or 24-hour to avoid ambiguity. Once done, tap hour and use the +/- buttons or numeric keypad to advance to the correct hour. This prevents skipping the hour unintentionally. Next, set minutes the same way and confirm the AM or PM indicator if you chose 12-hour. That step fixes common errors where the clock is 12 hours off. Make sure the screen registers each tap. Delays mean your input didn't save yet. After adjusting minutes, press Save or OK to apply changes. The unit usually shows a confirmation message, so wait until it disappears. Then verify the time both on the navigation display and the dash clock to ensure they're synchronized. Once you restart the engine, recheck the time. Some systems need a power cycle to update. If the clock reverts or won't hold time, cycle power by turning ignition OFF then on. If that fails, consider checking the radio fuse or navigation firmware as possible causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.